Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Look at this bright little drawing space. It is empty now, like a tiny stage waiting for a surprise. Let's imagine a friendly kitten is hiding just outside the picture, giggling softly and getting ready to appear. What do you think will happen first?
Wow!
Peekaboo! A round little kitty head begins to appear with two cute ears on top. The lines are simple and bold, like a magic marker dancing around the page. The kitten is still quiet, but we can already feel a happy story starting.
Yay!
Oh my goodness, a bow pops onto the kitty's ear. It looks like two soft loops and a round middle, almost like a butterfly decided to rest there. The kitty seems extra fancy now, ready for a cheerful adventure.
Yay!
Now the kitten gets a face. Two tiny eyes appear, and a small oval nose sits right in the middle. The kitty looks calm, sweet, and a little surprised, as if she just heard someone say, "It's time to play." Whiskers stretch out from both sides, 3 on one side and 3 on the other. Wiggle, wiggle, whiskers. They help our little kitty look curious and ready to sniff out fun, flowers, sunshine, and maybe a silly snack. The little body begins to grow underneath the head. There is a simple dress shape and a round collar, soft and sweet. The kitty is standing tall now, like she is saying, "I'm almost ready for my big day."
Yay!
What is that in her paw? A lovely flower appears. The petals are round and friendly, and the stem reaches down like a tiny green wand waiting for color. The kitty may be bringing this flower to someone special.
Yay!
Another little arm appears on the side, tucked close to the dress. The kitty now looks like she is holding the flower proudly, almost posing for a picture. Smile, little kitty. Your garden gift is looking wonderful.
Yay!
The dress becomes clearer with its soft shape spreading gently around the body. The flower rests near her cheek like a cheerful friend. Our kitty looks patient and polite, waiting for the next line to complete her. One little foot appears below the dress. Step, step, almost there. It looks like the kitty is getting ready to walk through the picture frame, maybe toward a picnic, a birthday party, or a sunny playground. Now both little feet are here, standing side by side. The kitty is balanced and ready, holding her flower with care. She looks like a tiny friend who has practiced being kind, gentle, and brave all morning.
Okay.
The whole drawing is complete in black and white. The bow, face, whiskers, dress, paws, feet, and flower are all in place. But wait, something exciting is missing. Can you guess what comes next? Yes, bright color. Before the colors arrive, let's admire the clean drawing one more time. The kitten stands sweetly inside the frame, holding her flower like a tiny treasure. She seems to whisper, "I'm ready to become bright and cheerful."
Yay!
Ta-da! Color splashes onto the picture. The bow turns bright red, the dress becomes red too, and the flower gets happy pink petals. The kitty suddenly looks ready for a party, a parade, or a joyful little dance. More gentle color appears, and the tiny nose becomes a soft yellow. The flower has a pretty center, and everything feels warm and friendly. Our kitty is no longer just a drawing. She is a cheerful little character.
Wow!
The picture is finished! The cute kitten stands proudly with her red bow, red dress, yellow nose, and pink flower. She looks ready to share kindness with everyone. Let's wave goodbye and say, "Great job, little artist!"